easy as pie. Helps when it starts. Alrighty, here we go. Got the R1 loaded up and headed to Roadshark. So enjoy the ride. What's up, everybody? I'm filming this today after going to Roadshark with the R1 to try and get those clutches fixed. So the issue was not resolved, and so I am curious as to what you guys think the problem is. Shifting from first to second seems really squishy and doesn't seem to want to shift as smoothly as it used to. It seems like it's a really long pull through the gearbox. So I do have some content from us changing out clutches, but it doesn't seem to matter, only because it didn't fix anything. So next I'm going to look at the shift fork and might have to put a new transmission in. So let me know down below what you guys think the problem might be. And yeah, so got new clutches in for the little tally in 2 weeks. Can't wait to see everybody. I want to thank all of our sponsors, Roadshark, White's Repair, and Woolsey Morcom, for coming on board this year. And can't wait to see everybody at Little Tally in 2 weeks. And let's go racing.